shopping?
There are so many tint balls on my new shawl.
Oh, which you had bought last month.
Yeah, but now I can't wear it.
No, I have an idea. Really? Please tell me. So let's come with me.
Here is the solution of her problem. Let me show you the tint balls on her shawl. You can see there are so many tint balls on her shawl. Now for this hack, you guys just need a razor, and all of us have this type of razor in our home. I fold the shawl that I can show you the visible results. So let's start doing it. Just take that razor and shave it gently in downward direction to remove the tint balls. Wait, I will zoom it out that you can see it properly. Now you can see how gently tint balls are removing from the shawl. Just do it slowly. Just drag the razor downwards and dust all the tint balls from your shawl, and do it like this to your whole shawl. You can see the tint balls are removed from this shawl and how it is looking. This is super easy and fabulous hack that you can try it at your home. Now you can see the difference. This is so soft and clean from the part which I had removed the tint balls, and the other part is looking so bad because of the tint balls. Now I will do the other part, then come. Oh wow, now you can see it's ready to wear it again. Now all of you have the questions in your mind that is razor will damage your clothes? So I should tell you guys, no, it will not damage your clothes. I have tried it so many times and the results were super fabulous. Now for your convenience, I will show you on woolen clothes also that it will not damage your clothes. So here is the woolen sweater. It's also have so many tint balls on it. I will remove it and show you guys. With the same technique you have to remove the tint balls. Also just drag the razor downwards and remove all the tint balls and dust it off. What a trouble with love. So it's done guys. You can see all the tint balls are removed from the woolen sweater without any damaging. Here is the tint balls which I had removed from the woolen sweater. This is so simple and life-saving hack for me. If it is useful for you also, please comment down below. I get to know it is useful for you or not.
Okay guys, so here I am done with this shawl. You can see there is no
Balls.
It's now. One thing more guys, the winter is nearly over and spring is on the door. So you can use this hack to your sweaters, to your shawl, and get it wrapped it into a plastic bag so that your sweater is ready to wear in next winter also. So here is the hack. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon ताकि मेरी सारी आने वाली वीडियोस आपको मिलती रहे. Bye bye.